The moment you walk in the door, you're using these machines and you're making parts, and it's a blast.
CMCC is one of the few colleges in the state that has a PMT program itself.
A lot of the curriculum is based on what businesses want to hire people into doing.
They talk with companies in the industry to find out what we need to know.
If you want to start working immediately when you get out of the program, this is where you start. The instructors here are across the board.
It's not like it's just instructor students, more person to person.
They're very knowledgeable. They can answer pretty much any question you have. Classes are smaller here, so it's easier to do that.
The college is really committed to making sure to stay on top of the latest technology and a lot of the latest machining.
CMCC is astonishing. It's very helpful for anybody who wants to further their learning.
Central Maine Community College is a place where I can learn, grow, have new friends, and expand on myself as a person. It's a really fun place to be.